Hello!
And welcome to
Inebriation.
Try again.
Hello!
Hello! And welcome to Inebriation Conversation. I think we should try that one more time. We got it.
Hello!
And welcome to Inebriation Conversation.
Which is a name that Ellen made up.
I came up with it. I came up with many potential names. I'm not blowing my own trumpet, I promise.
Hello and welcome to the show that tastes as good as it looks.
Yep, that's right. You're drinking cheese. Eating cheese.
You're eating cheese. I'm George Morris. With me today is the entrepreneur that is Ellen Smith.
Entrepreneur? I get called Smellin. I get called Smeagol.
Why?
My pal back home. Oscar, if you listen, yeah. I didn't know it was a bad thing until
you saw Lord of the Rings.
A boy called Lucas on a night out went, ha ha ha, Smeagol, and I went, what do you mean? And he went, this, and then showed me a photo of Smeagol, and I was like, fucking kill me off.
This is a show where we ask questions. I always do that. We answer questions.
I might ask a couple.
Alright. Do you want one now, or do you...
Hey, how's your mama doing?
How is your mama doing?
George, this isn't gonna be a funny one. I'm so sorry.
James Phillips is question master. James, would you like to say hello? No? Alright.
Is Robbie the biggest person you know?
No.
No.
Me? No. No, I had a teacher at school called Mr. I'm so sorry for name dropping you, but...
I can bleep it out if you want me to.
Yeah. And he taught me DT and woodwork.
And how often would he work?
No, now you have to bleep out his name.
Why? What? Was he a bad
because
man?
of your inference.
How big is Robbie in feet?
Well,
I don't like Robbie's feet.
No one's taller than 6'1" according to Robbie. If we're talking about feet, though.
Feet. One of them bad boys.
How big are your feet?
Small. Really small. Never ask.
You have to choose one, Lincoln or Cheltenham. The one you don't choose disappears forever.
I want to choose Cheltenham, but I want to take all the people from Lincoln to Cheltenham. Because I love Cheltenham. Cheltenham's really pretty and really nice, and Lincoln's like, it's alright.
I've never been to Cheltenham, so I'm going to say
it's
Lincoln.
It's really pretty and really nice.
Is it prettier than Lincoln?
Yeah, wait. It's like Lincoln, but prettier. George, sit up, you fuck!
Wow. Next question, James.
Alright, new year, new them. Describe how you would give the other person a makeover.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. I give George a makeover. James, you're supposed to tell me that I'm yelling. It's my favourite ever voice.
Hello. Oh, my mic's gone fuck up.
The smaller nose. That goes for you too, James.
See, I'd say bigger nose. Give us funnier questions, James.
James, it's all your fault.
James, it's all your fault. Bah.
Okay. Which T-bird is most likely to have a mental breakdown because their husband washed the laundry with the wrong settings?
Jack. I think that's the question he wrote.
Yeah.
Would you rather own the Millennium Falcon or the Millennial Falcon?
Millennium.
I don't know the difference.
make the Kessel run in less than 12 parsecs?
What the fuck is a Kessel?
No one knows. That's the point. Unless the Han Solo film comes out and fucking ruins that. I'm looking at you, Ron Howard. James is giving me the signal on everything's... Oh!
Go! Always believe
In your soul, you got the power to know you're indestructible. Always believe it, 'cause you are gold. Gold. Always believe it.
So... Scooby-Doo, right?
No! Hey, editing George, how's it going?
Wipe.
Are you doing okay? This one's really difficult to edit, isn't it?
Scooby.
I know.
It's not really difficult to edit, just keep it all in.
Ellen's being a bitch. Don't worry about that. It's just me and you now. Me and you forever.
You can't keep in my burps.
I mean, burps are funny.
Yeah, they're funny when they're yours, because you're like Rick from Rick and Morty. Or you Morty? Which one?
Stupid people won't get that reference. Hold on, what was the latest question?
I feel like it was answered.
New question.
New
Right,
question.
what came first, chicken or the egg?
Oh, just fuck off. I don't know, I like fried eggs and I like fried chicken, so...
That's great.
Who in the group would you most like to adopt?
Adopt? Like, as my child? Would I have to treat them as my child?
I feel like in the realms of this question, yes.
James.
No, because me and James would end up living together and I don't feel like that's...
fucking... Yeah, I see that.
I would adopt...
That's a great vision, I see that. Oh, yeah.
Harry M.T. I'd adopt Harry M.T.
No, but he's more like he's a granddad. He's not a child.
No, imagine him, like, we said this before, haven't we? Like, when Harry M.T. has a kid, him and his kid are going to come out, he's going to go, boys! And then a little version of him is going to come out going, boys!
What was the last time we both got drunk? It was a fucking disaster.
Yeah, but we don't talk about that.
No, but everyone else does.
Who in the group would you most like to adopt you?
Probably Harry Martin Taylor.
No.
I think he'd be the best dad.
Eve. Eve would be a...
I love Eve so much.
Eve would look after me.
Eve wouldn't let anyone hurt you.
Eve would make sure my confidence was sky high.
She'd build you up so that you could ask.
So I could knock him down.
You could tell that person in Subway that you didn't ask for olives
for a
even though they
meatball
put them
marinara.
in. Because we can't do that.
I'm really bad.
George, we're both bad at that and Eve hates us both for it. We could order an Italian BMT in Subway and they'd say, you said meatball marinara, and we'd go, yeah?
Okay, yeah.
Eve would teach us as a mother to never take that shit.
We are the worst people.
Yeah, that's why we can't be in the same room together, because we just accept what you tell us. Do you mind? I'm just gonna go ahead, but I need to make another drink.
Alright.
Wait, no, get this on. Oh, what a nice sound.
Hello there, editing George. How's it going? I love you. I wish you were a better man than I am.
I'm jealous because I think mine's not going to be as cool as Kaylee's.
It will be.
It won't be.
It will be. What do you mean? Kaylee's wasn't cool.
Kaylee's was funny and fun because she gets really drunk really quickly and easily.